The new furnace is hot. But I mean that literally. Here we are, game one. Against Lone... I don't know. And obviously we're playing the most skilled card in the game. Recruits. And, yeah. Is this another form? Or another log bait? I've been finding a lot of log bait recently. I'm not a fan. Because I'm like bad. But I have something he doesn't. Skilled recruits. And that was the best prediction that I totally predicted. Did my recruits all get melted into oblivion? Yes. Does that matter though? Like... Okay, I am not doing good at all. My recruit, I don't know what to do now. I might as well just go back to doing recruits. Put on here though. Recruits in the back again. He has rocket. He just start rocket cycling me soon. Defend that easy. He wasted it for no reason. My poor little recruits. I can finally just go in now. Dad, perfect opportunity. Do some decent damage, I guess. He's going all in with the princesses. Oh, terrible. Problem thing. Took good damage, yeah, okay. Yeah, he's probably gonna try to go for the game ender. Being rocking. Go back for this. It's gonna be hard. Oh, he's gonna go in with the cycle. I gotta end this game quickly then. In the bag just in case I need something. Yes! I love skilled recruit. It's so skillful. Yeah. So yeah, that was a close game. But as you can tell, the furnace was so like sexy and hot. I mean, so hot. Like it created those hot fire spirits that he just didn't know how to handle it. Or you could say recruits were just brain dead enough to make me win the game. Both are acceptable answers. He's going in bomb tower, that's gonna be a problem. You put down like 7 elixir for 7 elixir, that's like it's a fair trade. I'll put this in the back. I don't have a need to go in just yet. I go furnace actually. I thought he was gonna have something else. I'm gonna let that go. Just to support my furnace. He probably already has bomb tower, which is gonna suck. I'm gonna rage all that. Yes. Oh wait, that's probably... Okay, not my best play, I'll be honest. Not my best play. But, I'm still in this. Speaking of, away from the game, expect an upload this Saturday. It's gonna be something new for the channel, something that's not just Clash Royale, Brawl Stars, or Pokemon. Well, probably might be a Pokemon game, but not Pokemon TCG. calling it, what's it called? Random Game Saturday. Very cool and awesome name. Not some random nonsense I may put together. But it should be interesting. Every Saturday, I'm gonna try to do this every Saturday. Along with at least one upload a week, other than that. So 2 uploads per week. Something, something to bring more people into the channel. Something funny. I need to go for a gaming push too, so I'm gonna put the sexy man himself. Hot guy himself. The furnace. Wait, am I 2? Perfect. Just get counted all of them. Collecting with all of that. Sometimes I already got Evil Valkyrie too, so why wouldn't he? Perfect. Yeah, I'm having terrible problems trying to break through this. This could be the chance. Oh my god, I suck. I just can't break through. I'm sad I can never break through this. I'm sucking right now. Pause. As hard as I can. I can't seem to break through any of this. He always just has the bomb tower reflecting and everything. Just defends everything. I get enough just things on the field. It could be a push through attempt. I have 2 furnaces just creating things I could ever attempt to break through. The Valkyrie, so it's gonna pull everything together. But I'm kinda up now. Gotta push through everything, 10 seconds to my name to do something. Furnace to furnace. He does have hog so I do have to try to be careful. Oh, I actually doing this. Go back up real quick, buddy. Wait, barely winning. Skilled recruit to the hot furnace, baby. Let's go. Heat skill. Heat gameplay. Other words. On to the final game. Happens. Usually in these videos when I do 3 games, I usually end up losing, 1 to 2 in terms of like record. But I think because the furnace is just so strong and handsome, and the recruits are just so skilled and beautiful, it just makes everything work so good for me. Or, I don't know, maybe I'm delusional. By what some of you are probably saying right now when you're watching this video. But, open to interpretation. Not bad. He locks that side. Destroy that entire push. Oh, I was kind of hoping with splash, but that's okay. Okay, I was actually. That was good, okay. Oh, thank you, Mr. Brian. I feel like it sounded so slow when I said that. But, bomber again. I could destroy weaken my men. So we're just gonna put this in the middle. Some good damage. That's not what I like to see, though. Some way I'm gonna have to try to defend this, and I have not too much of this. Oh, wait, okay, I defend, okay. Okay, that was probably not as hard as I made it sound to be, but you know, it was kind of shocking for me. To let me cook in my mental delusion. But you know, we're doing pretty good on both sides. I have so much elixir he logs for no reason. I love to see it. I mean, he gets rid of his shield, so I guess it's kind of free for him. Well, he gets the arrow. I already even had arrows. I don't even, did he even use arrow except for that just now? I don't remember him using arrow. Okay, I get a little bit of damage. Okay, he goes in like that. I could just go like this. Perfect. Cracker the other side to support. Okay, maybe not. I guess I get no damage, unfortunately, but I can just furnace him back. He really does not want to take any more damage. He's really trying to go all in on defense. I like that. It's so much easier when I have to go offensive on him. Rage on that because. This is crazy. I'm probably gonna win just due to me just. Oh, that still hit? That's crazy. Rage all that. Press the cracker for getting a hit, I'm pretty sure. Yup. Love that. Love. Oh, he gets in here. I get to just do this. I'm just gonna air. Put this straight down the middle. Have this go the other way. Oh, he's giving me a win attack. Let's go! 3-0. I would love to take this to the furnace. It did its job wonderfully. Recruits, they were existing, being skilled as usual, and yeah. It doesn't get you to subscribe for brain dead games like this. I don't know what else will. But oh yeah, let's go! I was gonna cut this out the video, but it's a 4-star, and I get the new legendary. Well, not really new, but like I haven't had it, so I'll take it. It's in the video. Subscribe. See you Saturday for Random Game Saturday, and yeah, love y'all. Peace.